Testing. Alright, Chapter 1, Neat Module 16, Chapter 1 Summary. The important parts of the chapter summary have the following points. Alright, the jet system is joint with the branch of the military identified the equipment of the system the same with the nomenclature. General purpose of the electrical testing equipment is the capability without modification to generate the modified the measure for the range parameter the electrical function required with the test. More equipment is the touch of the basic different design. Also the JP, but also require the standard general purpose electrical test equipment, the military standard 1364 series. The special purpose electrical testing equipment is also specifically designed to generate the modified the measure of the range of the parameter electrical function. Specific peculiar nature required the testing all equipment in the system known as SPEED. The Ship Configuration Logistic Information System SCLSIS is designed to keep track of the equipment configuration chain. With the Ship Configuration Logistic Information System program has two basic elements: validation, inventory, updating the calibration system, aim of the items left the equipment that can be determined the information recorded with the calibration label tag located on the equipment. Alright, then show the black and white and the black on white. Calibrator label the white back lettering on the white background, and you give the instrument that was attached for the tolerance. Also give the calibrator refer to the report label the red lettering with the white background with the actual measurement of the value must be known as the instrument. Special calibration label the black lettering yellow background. You with the unusual special condition calibration should be drawn with your attention. You the calibration located with the label to indicate that your should be calibrated with a testing measuring instrument, the same with the instrument of the calibration facility. Inactive with the calibration before you with the label should be piece of the test equipment. Do the recalibration will not be with some of the time in the time in the future. Calibration not required label using the test equipment illustrated in the meteorology request requirement list or Metler is not requiring calibration. Reject the label to tab for the test equipment that failed to meet the acceptance criteria during the calibration cannot be repaired. Calibration board, if steel was broken, is placed with the over readily acceptable adjusting, preventing the tapering the use of such tampering could affect the calibration. Measurements of the system designed by the standard recall with the scheduled testing measure from the diagnostic equipment and calibration facilities for the documentation of the actions performed by the calibration facility. Maintenance of the work done with the correct review of the counter wear with the damage to the equipment, prevent maintenance of the condition, check with the determine the wear of the equipment and functional problem with the visual inspection for the cable equipment over the damage and to determine the location is needed. Corrective maintenance of the issue with the isolate with the trouble with the test equipment and realign with the readjust the equipment and otherwise bringing the equipment back up with the proper performance sensitive voltmeter. Always give them with the volt chart of the particular piece of the equipment. You should always keep the voltmeter similar sensitivity of the equipment to diminish the effect of the circuit load. Circuit loading or circuiting measuring. Are you not often take with the scope of the testing become with the aim of the current measure of the device for the bounce over the become with the actual part of the equipment being tested with the circuit that must be open with the necessary connection with the meter with the usually with the voltage measure to collect with the circuit current with the applying with the you should be with the following graph of the with the meter. Circuit being tested must be completely de-energized. Any circuit components will be damaged with the meter of the current with the must be removed before any of the measurement made. Wheatstone bridge with the with the precise measurement of the resistance. Alright, the capacity bridge with the measuring unknown with the capacity. The inductancy bridge you would find there with the unknown inductancy, and then you'd have the answers to the questions. And this is the chapter 1 summary for the Neets Module 16 testing equipment.